Hey, hi all. This is Sumit. In this session, we learn about steering parameter user simulation. I have scanned this checkbox into Tosca and just drag and drop this module into test case section. And here I'm going to give a value as true and action mode as input. And now run the test case. If you see here, the checkbox is automatically checked. Test case is executed successfully. Now I want to steer this checkbox with the help of user simulation, meaning actually control can goes and click here with the help of user simulation. So what I need to do is just go to the model attribute, go to the properties section, and here add a steering parameter called as user simulation and set the value true. And now let's go back and run the test case. If you see here, the control is going and check the particular checkbox and the test case is executed successfully. The objective of user simulation is some controls additionally support user simulations. Inputs into controls are made with click operation without object steering. A click is performed on the screen or a keyboard input is performed. User simulation are enabled by the steering parameter user simulation. That's what about user simulation. Thank you.